eModels.co.uk. Make something awesome.
Shut up and sit down.
Hello again, folks. It's Festa from eModels, and what have we got for you today, I hear you ask? Well, as you can see, there's 3 brake discs there, so it's going to give you a clue. Yes, we have got the GodHand quick drill set A, and it is GH-DBQ-5A, and these bits range from 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 and 0.9, and they are for use in your GodHand quick vise, folks. So that's what we're up to today. Now, I've previously done sets B and C, and we've now got the set A, which are the slightly smaller ones, folks. So you've got your usual blurb there on the inside of your packaging, telling you how to locate the drills, etc, etc. Try and make sure it's fully seated in as well, folks. So that's what you want to be doing. So that's your blurb. Shows you a nice little close-up part there and how you put the pieces in. So we'll open up the box there, and as you can see, a nice sturdy protective case there, because you want to keep these drill bits really pristine, folks. And as you can see, we go right down to the minute sizes now with these 0.5mm. I mean, that is tinsy. But the reason I got this set is because I've got the wonderful job of drilling out all these holes on the brake discs, and these are absolutely perfect for that. I just want to marry up which one is the correct size that we want. So it might well be that we're on the next size down there, which is going to be 0.8. So let's have a lookykins. Oh, might be able to go one lower. I'd rather go smaller at first than too big. So literally, quick release, like so, quick insert. And then I just tend to rest this on my knuckle there. It's got a nice little dip on there, like that. And then you can just start turning the piece. And that's gone straight through that, like a knife through butter. Look at that. Wow, isn't it, eh? Yeah, absolutely perfectly straight through that. Swing. So we'll do another couple, because why not indeed? I won't do all of these on this video, but as you can see, that is pretty much going straight through there. And I just reverse the drill between my finger and my thumb, and that gets all the swarf out. So we'll do another one. And it really is minimal effort. I'm not putting any pressure on this drill whatsoever, folks. It is the drill bit that is doing the work. Maintenance is also a must on these. Please remove any chips after you've used these, folks, because you don't want to fill your box up with all the crud. And like I say, I just reverse the drill along my finger. It backs any swarf out, and you just let it accumulate on your cutting mat. This is made of special cutlery skill, and they're steel even, and they're brilliant for cutting plastic, resin, aluminium, brass. And the shaft thickness, it's a 4mm hexagonal shaft. However, only use them in the pin vices, folks. Don't go slapping these in a drill driver or anything like that and trying to drill for oil, because you will damage them, folks. Treat them gently. They are an absolute precision tool, but really you want to use as a precision tool. But as you can see, there's 5 holes already drilled through there. And yeah, absolutely stunning. And it's effortless. It really is. I mean, I can work on these quite happily, zero pressure, like that. And just let the drill do the work. And I just clean the hole as I'm pulling it out. I might as well do this little section on this brake disc, like so. A couple more holes on there. And it is effortless. I mean, I've sat here before with how can I say, the entry level pin vices, and it's an absolute effort. It really is. Whereas this is a breeze. It really is that easy, folks. So much so that I'm not actually dreading doing the rest. So there you go. Look at that. And that's pretty much a segment of that done in just that short time, folks. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And you can just feel the quality. You really can. Straight through, like that. Job is a good one. Look at that, folks. You've got my permission to dance up and down and do river dance jigs, aka Mr. Flatley, because they really are a stunning, stunning thing. And I'm just going through the back there and just tidying up where I've been. But normally you can just run a sanding stick along the back of them, just to clean off any swarf that is popped through. And already you're getting your brake disc looking much more professional for your model kit build, folks. And again, if you've got any detritus that the sander has put back in there, just quickly run your drill back through, clean out the holes again, and you won't be disappointed in that at all. Absolutely beautifully machined, top quality product, and you really, really can't go wrong with a GodHand brand, folks. I mean, that is spectacular, if you don't mind me saying. Absolutely beautiful. I think you can honestly say you agree, because look at that. Wow, isn't it? All day long. So they are the drill bits. And again, when you're done with them, just gently run the drill backwards through your fingers there and put them back in their protective case, folks, because you don't want to damage these. And these are the GodHand GH-DBQ-5A, and they're the quick release drill set A. You won't be disappointed, folks. Add these to your collection, and yeah, you'll be churning out stuff like this left, right and centre. Absolutely top drawer quality they are. Can't go wrong with them at all. So until the next time, folks, thank you very, very, very much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay well. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Oh, beautiful. Go get some.